lift my eyes toward the heights. From where shall come my help? I lift my eyes toward the heights. You alone are my support, always. My help comes from the Lord, maker of heaven and earth. My help comes from the Lord, my faithful God, my Father. He will never let my foot stumble. He who keeps me will never fall asleep, never fall asleep. No, he neither slumbers nor sleeps. He who watches over his people still. The Lord himself protects me. The Lord is my shelter by my side. The sun shall not strike me by day, nor the moon in the sleeping night. Under his wing I take refuge. In his peace I rest. He, the guardian of my very soul, he, the shepherd who never sleeps.